If you're drowning in debt, feeling like you'll never escape, this video is for you. Because here's the truth, debt isn't just numbers on paper. It's sleepless nights. It's avoiding phone calls. It's that constant pressure in your chest when the bills stack up and the paycheck disappears in days. But here's what most people don't tell you, getting out of debt is possible, no matter how deep you are. And in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide, backed by real strategies, that will help you not only eliminate your debt, but take back control of your life and money. So grab a notebook, because this isn't a quick fix gimmick. This is the exact roadmap real people are using to break free from debt and build financial freedom. Before we talk about solutions, let's understand the trap. Most people don't end up in debt because they're reckless. It happens because of a broken system, rising living costs, stagnant wages, unexpected medical bills, student loans, and emergencies. And credit cards. They're designed to keep you in debt. With 20% plus interest rates, even minimum payments become a trap. The average American household carries over $7,000 in credit card debt, and over 70% live paycheck to paycheck. The system profits off your struggle. But awareness is power. Once you understand how the system is rigged, you can start playing the game differently. The first step is the hardest, facing your debt. Most people avoid it because it's painful, but you can't fight what you won't confront. Pull up all your balances, credit cards, loans, personal debts, medical bills, everything. Write them down, including interest rates and minimum payments. This is your reality check. But it's also your starting point. You're not guessing anymore, you're strategizing. Build a budget that actually works. You've heard the word budget before, but let me make it real. A budget isn't a punishment. It's a plan for your freedom. Start with the 50/30/20 rule if you're new, 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for debt repayment and savings. But if you're in serious debt, you need a debt crusher budget. Cut unnecessary subscriptions, negotiate your bills, and get brutally honest about wants versus needs. Every dollar saved is another dollar that works toward your freedom. Tools like you need a budget, Mint, or even a simple spreadsheet can help you track everything. Choose your debt payoff strategy. There are two proven methods. Debt Snowball, start by paying off your smallest debt first. This builds momentum and motivation. Debt Avalanche, focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. This saves you more money in the long run. If you're someone who needs emotional wins to stay motivated, go with the Snowball. If you're a numbers person and want to pay the least in interest, Avalanche is your move. Either one works, as long as you commit. Increase your income, even a little helps. Cutting expenses is one half, but boosting income is the real power move. We're in the age of side hustles. From delivering food to freelancing online, selling digital products, renting out a room, or even tutoring, there are endless ways to make extra cash. Even an extra $300 to $500 per month dedicated to debt can shave years off your repayment timeline. One woman paid off $30,000 in debt by flipping items from garage sales on eBay. Another guy started a mobile car detailing business on weekends. The opportunities are out there. Don't wait for perfect, just start. Automate your progress and stay consistent. The secret isn't doing everything at once, it's doing small smart things consistently. Automate your minimum payments so you never miss one. Then automate extra payments toward your target debt each payday. Make your progress effortless. The less you rely on willpower, the more likely you'll win. And don't forget to celebrate milestones. When you knock out your first card, reward yourself, without going into debt. Small wins keep you moving. What to do about collections and bad credit? If you're behind or already in collections, don't panic. You have options. Start by contacting the creditor. Many will negotiate lower payments, waive interest, or even offer settlement amounts. Document everything. Get it in writing. You can also consult non-profit credit counseling agencies that can create debt management plans without ruining your credit. Just make sure it's a legit non-profit, not a scammy for-profit pretending to help. And if your credit score is suffering, don't worry, we'll talk in a future video about how to rebuild your credit after debt. For now, focus on eliminating what you owe. Credit repair comes next. Mindset shift, from surviving to thriving. Getting out of debt isn't just a financial journey, it's an emotional one. You have to rewrite your relationship with money. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Does this move me closer to freedom?" You're not broke, you're in transition. And every step you take, no matter how small, is a win. Every meal you cook at home instead of ordering in, every coffee you make instead of buying, it's progress. And guess what? Debt freedom feels better than anything you can swipe a card for. Real stories, proof that it works. Let's talk about real people. Jasmine, a single mom from Atlanta, paid off $62,000 in 3 years using the debt snowball method. She started by selling crafts on Etsy and later turned it into a full-time business. James, a teacher, picked up weekend tutoring and flipped furniture. He crushed $18,000 in credit cards and now teaches debt freedom workshops. A couple in Texas paid off $100,000 in 5 years by turning their garage into an Airbnb. These aren't celebrities. These are everyday people, just like you, who took control and said, "Enough is enough." Debt doesn't define you. It's not your identity. It's just a temporary situation, one you now have the tools to fight. So here's what I want you to do. Pause this video, grab a sheet of paper, and list every debt you have. Choose your strategy, Snowball or Avalanche. Start today. Even with $50. Even with $5. Just start. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe for more real, no BS financial strategies every week. Share this with a friend who's struggling, because debt is hard, but doing it alone is harder.